Okay, hello. As usual, let me set up everything and let's see what the market did. Market update. As always, don't hesitate to ask if you have any question or if you want me to analyze something for you. Just set up TikTok. Like that. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Music for me. And let's go. Let's see what the market did. Well, the market did that he baits me on DAX first. first, the market bait me on DAX. Today. 2. He did exactly what I thought it would on GBP/USD. Like I said yesterday in stream, so this was perfect. And let's update every chart. Don't hesitate to ask as always if you have any question or if you want me to analyze something for you. Okay, first, the French indices. I was watching him. I like him soon. We'll see if he come back there first. He changes market structure in 1. Fractal in 4. Divergence, everything. Fine by me. Is supposed to correct a huge amount of all this. So I really like him. We'll see if he give me what I want. As usual, once he pull back, so you know me, I need this basically. And then maybe I'm gonna take him there. SP, I don't care. We missed the trade there. I can update him first. There. Shows there. I don't think he's gonna give us a short, seeing the candle in 1 hour, but we never know. He don't have any liquidity to take, so maybe if he does something like this, maybe it's gonna give us a short. We'll see. Always, if we have all confirmation we want. Until then, not yet. Don't hesitate as usual if you want me to analyze something for you right now. I'm just updating my charts. Okay, next, Nasdaq. Let me just review in 4 hour Nasdaq. I don't really like him. I don't like him because basically he ranges since now 3 months, and I don't like that. even if technically his market structure is still bearish. You still have the unfilled order block higher. It took all the liquidity at the top. We had a short there yesterday, yes, but now I don't like him enough, let's say. DAX bait me today. Or maybe I put my... or because maybe I was too greedy. Basically, I took him like that, more or less. Maybe the plan is still valid if you put your SL there. But personally, I'm not gonna revenge trade on DAX. He stopped me. That's okay. Yeah, Tris, GBP USD did exactly what we said, actually. He bounced exactly where I put my my order. It's not always that the market do exactly what you want. Pixel perfect like that. Most of the time he bait people first, but yeah, GBP USD perfect. Perfect. I hope you took it too, Tris. But yeah, I was in it. It was perfect, yeah. But DAX bait me today. I lost on DAX. Even if we had 4 hours with us. 1 hour divergence, everything. Give me confirmation, but that's all. That's the game. We maybe missed something on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still on his gap weekly. So I would want a short there. I think I miss anyway 1 hour entry there. If you want to go down. I'm gonna put my alert there in 4 hours. Fractal 4 hours. And we'll see after that on Bitcoin. But you know me, I'm looking only for short on Bitcoin. No way I want to long this, watching daily and weekly time frame. Like I said, since the last 2-3 weeks. So we'll see if the 4 hour time frame give us a short in the next week, I think. After that, let me update Shiro USD. So he did not give any long. He creates a new low. Let me update his market structure in 4 hours. The top is there. Like this. Last liquidity there. Okay. We have our new boss there. And anyway, he's not gonna give us any long soon to play. So Euro USD probably gonna do something like this. And we'll see after that. So I'm just updating my chart. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any question or if you want me to analyze something for you. As always, I don't have any trade open yet. I lost a trade on DAX today, and I TP a trade on GBP USD, like I said yesterday. Euro USD, I don't like him. There's nothing to do now anyway. I mean, in 1 minute you can play something. It's actually maybe time to short him in 1 minute. Actually, it's there. But it's the only time frame. I don't like to trade if I don't have time frame backing me up, but on paper, Euro USD 1 minute is clean. But I'm not gonna take it. Okay, next. Euro GBP. Let me see you in 4 hours first. Where are you? So there was a free play last week. Nothing to do on Euro GBP, huh? What do you think? Yes, I can analyze gold. Puppet Gold. I didn't check him today. So yesterday I said that I thought it was too soon, too long. I still did a new high. Let me update this. Why this? Remember? Okay. Update this. So technically in 1 hour, he switched there. Is it enough? You're in long or short on gold? What's on your mind? This target creates a new high technically. It's bearish in 1 hour. You still have the huge gap for 4 hours below. You have this pattern. It's the only pattern I take care. It's the only. Oh no, actually, it's not good. You have a new low here. Well, I think it's time to short gold. What I want to say is that it's not time too long. So I don't know what's on your mind, but watching 4 hours, 1 hour. Still, if filled is a gap in 4 hours. Well, I don't care about trend line, but if you're a guy who like it, I personally don't care about trend line, but you can still use them to confirm something. So no, I think it's time to short gold. If it's what you have in mind. Probably was time to take it like this. Yeah, it's definitely time to short gold. Let me if I can find an entry in lower time frame with a better stop loss. So I'm open to any opinion on gold, but no way I'm looking for long. Looking the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame and the gap below in 4 hours. I think I'm gonna open. I don't. I just don't like this Enfield higher. But what if I put my SL above, just above? .44 ratio, risk ratio. Not too ugly. I'm open to any opinion on gold if you have a different opinion, but I think I think I'm gonna open this on gold, or I wait, or I wait the 1 minute time frame first. Yes, I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, gold, I'm just gonna wait a bit, the 1 minute time frame to switch. But if the 1 minute time frame give me something like this, I'm gonna trade this. So we'll see. Not quite yet. I'm just gonna wait one more confirmation on gold. But yeah, no way I'm looking for long. It's time to short. We'll see. Probably in the next hour. But watching the 4 hour, 1 hour time frame, it's time to look for shorts on gold. Hi Theo. Hope you're fine, Theo. Okay, so yeah, that's my plan on gold. We'll see if he gave me what I want in 1 minute inside this. And we'll probably target the gap 4 hour there. And we'll see after that. Silver. Silver. Why I have this? It's probably the last liquidity in 1 hour. Yes. But this one. Okay. I don't like it, silver. We'll see. I put my alert there just in case. Take the last liquidity of his current market structure. It's less clean than gold to short. So we'll see. Yo, the boys. I'm fine, the boy, thanks. What about you? Don't hesitate, guys, if you want me to analyze something for you. I'm waiting. Let me just update this. A trade on gold. Up. Okay. Next. Don't hesitate if you want me to analyze something for you right now. Euro USD, yeah, I already did it, but for me there's nothing to do yet. I think you need to create new low. So we'll see. His turning point in 1 hour is there. Maybe he's gonna give you a short there. But for me right now, the market is bearish. And personally, there's nothing to do yet. I don't know about you. GBP, GPY, why not? I did not check him yet today. Okay, so he's currently in this. In 1 hour, it's probably the same in 4 hours anyway. Yes, nothing new. For me, the boy, nothing to do on GBP GPY yet. To switch bullish, you need to take this first, the fractal 4 hour. You still have this unfill at the bottom. So this is where it's gonna be the most interesting to watch, to check for a potential long. If you do something like this. But until then, I don't know about you. I don't go in smaller time frame when I don't have the 4 hour, 1 hour with me yet. I wait to have the 4 hour, 1 hour time frame, and then I go in lower time frame to have my execution. But now, for me, nothing yet. Okay, next one. Where was I? Euro GBY, Euro GPY. Well, exactly the same. Like, I guess every pair against GPY, I need to put my alert there. And like GBP GPY, if it does something like this, we're gonna be interested potentially to long him, but till then, nothing to do personally yet. We'll see. Don't hesitate to ask if you want me to analyze something else right now. Just gonna finish to update my charts. GBP USD, so I took him perfectly yesterday. Now, let's update this. It's like that. Nothing to do. Nothing to do in 4 hours, nothing to do in 1 hour. The market is bullish on him. Divergence 15 minutes, it's not enough for me too long anyway. USD ZAR, I don't know what you have with USD ZAR. You're already 2-3 guys to ask me this. I don't like him, so there was a guy who was in this. I didn't trade this, but so I told him yesterday that the 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame was bearish. He's in this. Yeah, French. So USD ZAR, yeah, yesterday someone asked me because he was long in 15 minutes there. I liked his execution, but he was against the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. So even if I liked his execution, I wasn't too sure about it. Now I think he's just gonna go low. Huh? He's just gonna create a new low now, USD ZAR. I don't think there's anything to do. US 30. I never watched it, to be honest. Let me check that. So I guess I'd watched it for someone already. Okay, 4 hour. In 4 hour in this. Well, it's too late. It's too late if you want too long this. It's too late. Yeah, it was perfect too long, but it's too late. It's too late, the boys. It's too late. He give you your confirmation there. Yeah, it was clean. Yeah, it was clean, but it's too late now. Nah, I prefer to do content in English. It's more interesting. You meet more different people. So you can write in French if you want in the chat, but I'm gonna answer in English. You was too greedy on AUD USD today? You took it today? I didn't check AUD USD today. I just had my GBP USD trade like I planned in stream yesterday. That TP and I have I SL a trade on DAX. AUD USD. I know he bait people there during CPI. I'm chill too, don't worry. Like I said, it's just more interesting to do content in English. Euro USD for now, Figo, at least for me, there's nothing to do yet. It's too bearish, too long. So maybe he's gonna give a setup in the order block in 1 hour, 4 hour, but personally, we are not there yet. AUD USD. You took it how, Figo? So it's bullish, yeah. I think you can grab it now if he gives you a pullback there. At 50%, I'm gonna put an alert there. See you soon, mate. So Figo, I guess you took it there, and he came back at break-even. AUD USD. So Figo, if you took it around there, I think that was a small mistake because his internal market structure was bearish. Yeah, was bearish. So even if you use fractal here in internal, you know. Okay, next one. Where was I? Don't hesitate to ask if you have any question or if you want me to know something else. Where was I? What was I? GBP USD. Like I said, I took it today. EuroCHF, I don't care. Like the last few weeks. EuroCAD, I took a trade beginning of the week, hit TP. Since then, is into this. Nothing to do on EuroCAD. Euro AUD, I took it yesterday. I TP'd this yesterday. Since then, it just swept the high 2 times actually. And now I think it's just gonna create a new low. Nothing to do. I have my alert on gold. Let me check this. If he's gonna give me a short to take. Nasdaq, nothing to do. Nothing to do. I'm open to any opinion if you have a setup in mind, but I don't like him. He's raging since like 3 months in big time frame, and I don't like to trade when I don't have the big time frame with me. Not yet, gold. Not yet. Not yet what I want on gold. Not yet, gold. I'll come back later. Just swing. You want to swing him like long or short? Nasdaq. Like I said, what I don't like is this. You know? He range things like 3 months. And if it's a range, well, he swept the high already. He's supposed to go low. He's on his value area high there. So it's clearly not time to long him. But there's also no setup to short. So no, I don't like Nasdaq, you know. I mean, it's more time to short than long on Nasdaq, but for me, well, at least he doesn't give me my setup. Well, even in scalp, yeah, it's time to go short, but it's almost already too late. If you want to scalp in, you do something like this. And I don't think it's a bad trade. Do something like this. Why not? Okay, well, why not? I'm not against it. Let me check just the 1 minute time frame first. Yeah, why not? Why not? Personally, I would put my trade, let's say like that. And yeah, why not? I think gold is more clean. If gold give me my setup and switch in 1 minute, but because like I said, I don't like to trade range like that. But if you want to scalp, why not? Why not? It's not. I don't think it's bad. Yeah, I'm French. Yes. Was. Like I said, I'd rather do content in English. It's more interesting. Next one. Don't hesitate to ask if you want me to analyze something else. So why not take this if you want to start to scalp? I prefer to wait for gold personally. You can write in French if you want in the chat, but I'm gonna answer in English. I hope Dax didn't just took my SL to follow my plan after that. That's all. Okay, where was I? USD pair, I did not check USD pair. USD CAD, nothing new. Nothing new. I wait for him to fractal at least there in 4 hours. And then we'll see if he gives us a short later. So something like this. Maybe. But not time yet. USDCH chef. Well, as you know, I don't like huge range like this. He's ranging things like 6 months. Dax, Boitumelo, he bait me today. He took my SL. He's still not bad to short. So my plan was to short him. I did. Maybe my execution was bad, but he took my SL. So in big time frame, it's still time to short him. But I don't like him too much anymore in smaller time frames, so I don't know. I'm still bearish on this. But for me, the perfect trade to take was once he gave the confirmation there. So I took it like that, basically. But maybe I was too greedy on my SL, so I don't know what's on your mind, but if you want to short him, why not? You're long on German, on Dax. Well, it's just that I don't like the 4 and 1 hour time frame. I think it can still correct a huge part of this. But it did not respect my short, so why not? Let me check if it did just a corrective wave.
It sound right, boys.
Theo, I'm just waiting to the confirmation, but in 1 minute now on gold, and if it give me this, I'm gonna short gold. Yeah, I don't think it's a bad trade if you want to short him now. It just me want one more confirmation. So we'll see on Dax. I'm not too confident too long. Maybe my execution was bad, but I still have all this, you know, to correct. That's why I was interested, because I think if there is short to take, it's gonna be a big one. So we'll see about Dax. Where was I? USDC chef, like I said, ranging since like 6 months. I hate that. So you have the top of the range here, so the value are high. Maybe he's doing this. So we'll see, but nothing to do on USDC chef.
Sound right, boy.
So I know USDCH chef did not give me what I want to long him like last week it was. No, beginning of the week, unfortunately. But since then, for me nothing to do. Because you have the value area high of the range here. Personally, if you're in long, I would already have set my I sell at break even and my TP is there. But until then. USD GPY. USD GPY. So why I have this? I guess because the 4-hour time frame is here. USD GPY, I don't like him. It's not clean enough. I think we can find way more clean graph. It's just that for me it's not clean enough because of this candle. I don't like this candle in 4 hours. Let me check gold. Don't go without me, gold. Okay, no, not yet. Put my hand there on gold. Don't hesitate to ask me if you want me to analyze something else for you. I'm just updating my chart. Probably gonna short gold soon. Euro NZD, I don't care. GBP AUD, I don't care. Oh, I can update him. Maybe going out of this huge range, I don't like. Okay. GBP SIG Chef creates a new high, like expected. We missed a long beginning of the week. And now this may be correcting this. I think it's too late anyway to do something with him. Let me just update this. Okay, next. Don't hesitate to ask if you want me to analyze something else for you. I almost finished to update my charts. GBP NZD, well, I'm watching him already since beginning of the month, but he don't want to break bearish yet. So I don't like pattern, you know, but if you like this. Why not? We'll see. I'm gonna put my alert there. Why not? I don't like pattern usually, but if it goes so with the market structure, why not? We're still looking for short there. GBP CAD. Okay. So he's just swept his previous protected low in 4 hours. 1 hour way too bearish to do anything. So I think now GBP CAD just going low to correct probably this. So probably time to look for short on GBP CAD. Watching 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. I'm gonna put an alert at 50% there. And as always, if you do something like this, maybe next GBP GPY, like the rest. Someone already asked me about this one. CAD GPY more or less the same. AUD GPY also. I like AUD GPY to potentially short him. So if it give me something like this, why not? But not yet. Still gonna put an alert there just in case. Okay, next one. CAD CHF. Yeah, we missed long. That's fine. He was in his last POI of his current market structure in 4 hours. We missed the short here, I think. I was hoping he come back there. You can give other long. CAD CHF is definitely time to look for long in the next few days, but not yet. Okay, next. AUD NZD, nothing to do. AUD CAD, nothing to do. And AUD USD, already my alert set. Why not? Why not long AUD USD? But it's baiting people since yesterday. AUD CHF. Let me update this. His new low is there. Okay, next, so NZD USD didn't give me my short, but GBP USD did. And since nothing to do on NZD USD, market structure is still bearish. NZD CAD, I don't care. NZD GPY, I don't care. And that's all. Okay. Let me get back on gold. Let's see if gold is gonna give me a short to play. And till then, don't hesitate to ask me if you want me to analyze anything or if you have any question. I would like this on gold. It will be perfect in 1 minute. I have the 4-hour time frame with me, 1-hour time frame with me, 15-minute time frame with me. So, I finished to update all my charts. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any question, if you want me to analyze something else. I just have gold in mind to potentially open a short soon. And we'll see after that. So if gold does something like this, it's perfect. In that case, I'll be in all day, targeting the gap in 4 hours below. I'm open to any opinion if you have something else in mind, as always. And don't hesitate if you want me to analyze something else also. Okay, perfect, gold. Now, break bearish in 1 minute, and we're speaking. Are you still in short since yesterday, jury? I'm already out personally, but yeah, it was perfect. I'm agree with you. It was pixel perfect. It just filled my order and boom. But I'm already out personally. I just targeted like the order block 4 hours below. And it was plus 2.5 R, so plus 2.5k for me. But yeah, it was perfect. I got my plan on GBP USD. It's not always like this that the market is clean like that, you know. Most of the time he baits you many times before doing what you want. It's not any indicator, it's just Fibonacci there. And below it's just RSI. Sometimes I like to check divergence. First market structure, but sometimes I like to have divergence with me to confirm. If I'm selling gold, not yet. It's because the 1 hour time frame switched bearish there. So this during the night for me, And because you have a huge gap for hour below. So that's why. But if it doesn't give me any confirmation in small time frame in the air, I'm not gonna short. I just need one more confirmation. That's all. But I'm open to any opinion if you want to long game. I don't think it's time, but I'm not gonna judge. You can explain what you have in mind. But if it does something like this, gold, yeah, I'm gonna sell. Probably there. You put USL there? Theo, I guess. Well, the only thing I don't like yet on goal, and that's why I'm waiting for another confirmation in smaller time frame, is just this. I don't like the when the thick of a candle like that it's not filled. That's all. You trade with that indicator, the one below, RSI. Yeah. Let's say I like to have a confirmation with divergence sometimes, where when you know how divergence work. First I look market structure, but when market structure is also when the market structure change and it also break a divergence, I like it. It's one more confirmation, let's say. Yeah, I'm agree with you about the market structure in 4 hours. But because it changed the market structure in 1 hour, I was thinking maybe it's gonna do something like this, you know. We'll see. We'll see. But personally, I don't see any setup too long anyway. I mean, not the setup I like, so. But yeah, he can definitely go high also. The 4 hour is still bullish. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. What you have in mind? It did not give me enough confirmation to short yet, anyway. But I still think I'd be in short if he give me this. It's not time yet. Yeah, exactly. You never know with gold. But there's still many things I like to short gold. To be honest, I like 1 hour time frame. I like the gap to fill 4 hour below. He can clearly do a move like this, basically. A, B, C, corrective wave into the gap. So we'll see. I like also that potentially if it's your B there, that the B already did an ABC in this. So anyway, if you give me my last confirmation, I don't think I'm gonna have any regrets to short him. I have everything I want. I have a lot of confirmation in a 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame. It's just the 4 hour time frame that's against me. I agree with that. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, you're right about that. Yesterday I said that it was too soon, too long. I still did a new high with the candle there. We'll see, we'll see. But like I said, there's many things for me in 1 hour, 15-minute time frame. Market structure, divergence, Elliott wave. But yeah, let's be careful with the 4 hour time frame. And we'll see if I have my confirmation in this pullback. If not, anyway, I don't pre-shot. That's why I don't pre-shot trade. I always need my pullback, my confirmation in my pullback, etc., etc. Yeah, see you soon. Don't hesitate to give your opinion. I always like and open to any opinion, even against me. We can all have a different way to trade and all be profitable, you know. If I'm right, it's plus 2R for me at least. If I'm wrong, it's 1R, minus 1R, and all the time it's gonna be in the other way for you. Okay, I'm not really into support and resistance. What I don't like about resistance and support is that for me, once a resistance and support is filled, I don't care because basically there's no liquidity left, you know. It's like order block. I care about only unfilled order block. It's the same with candle wick. I was like you before with candle wick, you know. But now, with experience, I think it's like 50-50, you know. But when I have a candle wick, basically, I can check. Let's say the 4-hour time frame took the liquidity with the wick of the candle. I go in 15 minutes to see if I can have a setup, for example. But in market structure, for example, I use the wick as a new high, for example, or new low. In big time frame with experience, I think it's valid. Yes, web. Basically, I use if it's a 4-hour candle, I go in 15 to look for a setup. If it's in 1 hour, I go in 5, and if it's in 15, I go in 1 minute. I don't use FVG. I think it's the only popular thing I don't use. I use imbalance, so sometimes people see that as FVG. Sure, I use unfilled imbalance sometimes. It's like gap. I don't trade the gap. I know where they are. I like them to be filled. But it's not enough for me. Yeah, exactly. I don't like scalp. I absolutely don't like scalp. And it's always the same with FVG. Most of the time, it's a pre-shot, you know. I don't like to pre-shot. I can check FVG, but in that case I need to go in lower time frame. But people who just pre-shot FVG in 1 minute, not for me. For me it's gambling. And most of the time the target need to be another FVG. So I think it's hard to handle your stop loss and your TP. Well, I don't like it. It's always the same in trading. You need to find what you like. Good for them if they're profitable with FVG, but yeah, probably. Why not? But it's not because you have a reaction in an order block with FVG that is gonna go all the way up, you know. Knowing where you're gonna have a reaction on the market, it's pretty easy, you know. Basically, the market always reacts on an unfilled order block, POI, FVG. Yeah, you're gonna have a reaction, but maybe the market just gonna bait you, you know. Yeah, exactly. But nice to meet you. I still like to talk about trading, even with people who have a different vision than me. Yeah, I appreciate it too. Don't hesitate to come back. I don't have your name in this. I don't know. I don't see your name. Can you type in the chat? But nice to meet you. See you, see you. Okay, well, nice to meet you, Lando. See you soon. Don't hesitate to come back. Yeah, appreciate it. I just would like the 1000 follower in TikTok, but then in that case, I could stop to stream with my phone. I could have a more clean setup. No, I'm not gonna play guitar in stream, no. But I'm okay. I'm okay at guitar. I'd say I'm not an expert, but I'm not a beginner either, you know. I did some open mic. I do some open mic sometimes. Play guitar to sing a bit. So just to be clear, on gold my plan is not valid anymore if you go higher than this Fibonacci. So we'll see. Don't hesitate if you want me to analyze something else. I personally already updated all my charts. We'll see if gold give me my setup. I don't know if the guy who asked me about Nasdaq is still there. I said that I don't like it in big time frame, but he was talking about scalp. Why not? It's either you take it like this. Or wait, like gold, one last confirmation in 1 minute, because he switched here in 1 minute. Gold. It seemed to don't want to give me what I want. You have this last liquidity there. In 1 minute. So I know I based my analyze on gold with 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, but if I execute the trade with the 1 minute time frame, I'm gonna base my and move my SL following the 1 minute time frame. Just to be clear. I would like him to create a new high in 1 minute, so then I would have to wait this to break. Don't worry, I use EMA. I use exactly this one. Look. 1355 200. Don't worry, I have my it's one of the indicator I like. But I use more this as a confirmation, you know, or to take a trade I missed. If I missed a trade, I can try to catch him with EMAs. Yeah, I like EMAs. But it's always the same with the EMAs. You need to be careful because you can see setup all the time if you only base your trade with the EMAs. But yeah, I like it. I don't know which one you're using, Ampha, but personally I like the ES-Algo. I don't know which one you're using in TradingView. There's so much different indicators, but this one I like it. Which trade app do you use? Well, to analyze, I think everyone using TradingView like me. And to trade Forex, I'm with MetaTrader personally. And with crypto, I use ZoomX now. Don't hesitate to ask questions, guys, or to give your opinion. I want to ask if you want mine on another trade. I'm gonna stay in live, let's say, till the end of the hour. Okay, gold. Okay, gold. Like this. And maybe we're talking. What do you mean, Theo? You can say it in French. I'm not sure what you want to say. So because it's 1 minute time frame, I need a candle close, not just the wick of the candle. Oh yeah, we'll see. We'll see, Theo. I'm also afraid that if it go down, it's just gonna push too big. My targets depend. The optimal target probably gonna be the gap 4 hour. But if my execution time frame is in 1 minute, I think 3 hour and I'm out. And I'm gonna move my SL also following the price, following the 1 minute time frame. But the optimal target is probably the gap in 4 hours. Jury, you told that you're still in GBP USD since yesterday? Earlier you said that. Because personally I'm already out. But good for you. If you're still in this, in a GBP USD. You can actually still be in this. Watching the 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. He has a long way to go before reverse it, so hi Peter, nice to see you. Theo, yeah. If it break in 1 minute, I'm gonna short gold. Yeah, Jury, I think you're safe for now. Seeing the 4 hour, 1 hour time frame. Like I said yesterday, I just wanted to unsure on GBP USD in 4 hour. So I just TP there. It was a 2.5 risk ratio, so that's fine by me. But the thing is, you're right that technically it still can come back, you know, there. And I don't want to give money back to the market. I think my optimal TP would already be there when he creates a new low. So I'm watching the 1 minute time frame here because the pullback came from a break structure in 1 minute time frame. That's why. Omfa, I'm in trading since 2020, COVID basically. I am and I'm full time since October 2023 exactly. Decide yourself, gold. Go one way or the other. I'm on fight just that I'm naturally a chill guy, pretty calm, you know. But it's also because I'm, I guess, a bit older, you know. I'm 30 now. No way I would be profitable in my early 20s. I was way too immature, you know. At 46.24, yes. So basically at the top of that. Oh, you took it there earlier. When he swept. Well, I guess you took it when he swept here. It depends where your SL is. I don't especially I don't. Why not? No. Ah, SL limit and wait. Okay, okay. So you want him to sweep this once again? For me, the 46.24 is there. Or you want the last unfilled POI in 1 minute? Oh no, it's 22 here. Yasin, I'm using a bit all time frame, but I start my analysis in 4-hour time frame. Then I go in 1 hour. Then I can go in 15. And then I can execute my trade in 5 or 1 minute. And it's all, my execution time frame can also depend of, for example, here on gold, I was waiting for a pullback, and the pullback came from a market structure change in 1 minute, not in 5, but in 1. So then I'm waiting for that he break bearish once again in 1 minute. So yes, like I said, I probably gonna take a trade on gold because we have 1 minute time, 1 hour time frame with us, 15. In that we have market structure with us, divergence with us, Elliott wave with us, not too bad too. We just have the 4-hour time frame against us, but there's a huge gap in 4 hour below. But now we're into this. So personally, if you break once again bearish in 1 minute, I'm probably gonna be in. About your entry, I don't know why you want to wait him this high now. But I don't pre-shot and put sell limit. Yes, I do, but once I have every confirmation I want in every time frame. Let's say in this pullback, not yet. Yeah, I think it's why, but you can explain. I just don't know why you want this. Because for me, the 24 is just here. So you want him to sweep once again? Something like this? Or you want him to fill this in 15. But for me, it's 26 and not 24. That's why. I don't know which graph you're watching. Me, it's the FXCM graph. That's why. Maybe we don't have the same. I guess it's just because we don't have the same graph. I'm on the FXCM, like I said. I just don't know if I enter this in market or if I wait for a pullback. Theo, like I said, I think there's a huge gap in a 4-hour time frame below. So I think the optimal target is there, but you never know. I think personally I'm just gonna catch a 3R ratio, you know. And like I said, because I execute my trade in 1 minute, I'm gonna move my SL following the 1 minute time frame. So yeah, the optimal target, I guess, is the 4-hour time, the 4-hour gap below, but I'll probably not go all the way. Wait, Elias, did you see the imbalance, the gap below on gold? What do you think? In which time frame, Elias? Ah, below. Well, you mean the 4-hour gap? You mean? Yeah, in 1 minute time frame, Theo, like you said, I'm more stop loss suiveur, like you said. But Elias, yeah, the 4-hour gap, I look for it since a few days now. That's why also I'm looking for short. Yeah. I wasn't sure you were talking about the 4-hour time frame. Yes, but yeah, this one. Yeah, this one below. Yeah, in 4 hours, it's not impossible that it does this. We'll see. Boeng, nice to see you, Boeng. What's your thought on gold? We're all watching gold now. Okay, gold don't want to give me what I want. Yassine, in loss, you already in short in gold? You're way too greedy, Yassine, if you already lost your trade here. I hope you're not into a future contract. If you traded in 1 minute. Five-minute time frame? How did you take it if you lost your trade already? Yeah, Theo, he don't want I don't want to give me my confirmation there. Where did you put your SL, Theo? I guess there at 42, 46, 24. Where was your SL, Yassine? Okay, I see, Theo. Yeah, why not, Theo? Like I said, I just don't like this in 15. That's why I'm waiting for last one confirmation in this. But why not? When you think he's gonna go there? That's why I did not open any short yet. When you think he's gonna feel that? If you give me confirmation in 1 minute in there, I'm still gonna trade. But that's why I'm not already in it, and I'm waiting last one confirmation. Yeah, but yeah, that's why I'm not sure about that. Wank. But I still be in it if you give me one more confirmation in this fullback in 1 minute. We'll see. But for now, we don't want to do that. Yeah, you speak about this one. The 4-hour gap. Yeah. We know. I saw that. Yeah, I saw that. In 1 hour, just yeah, actually. Boeing, you're on Bitcoin. Yeah. I thought I missed it there. You short Bitcoin, Boeing? It did not give me what I want yet. But yeah, I'm looking for short for sure. Now that it filled this weekly gap. You're long on Bitcoin, Boeing? No, personally, I'm looking for short. But I know we definitely not have the same way to trade, you and me. Don't hesitate, guys, if you have any last question. I think I'm gonna soon leave. I don't think gold is gonna give me what I want to trade before the end of the stream anyway. So don't hesitate to ask if you have any last question or if you want me to write something else for you. What's your direction on gold? Well, on gold, there's the gap 4 hour, like you know. It gave me a lot of confirmation in 1 hour, 15-minute time frame. Market structure, divergence, Elliott wave. Like I said, I just don't like the 15 minutes candle at the top. That's why I'm looking for one last confirmation. This pullback in 1 minute. And if you're talking about Bitcoin, for me there's no way I'm looking for long on Bitcoin watching the weekly time frame. Because I'm not sure what you were talking about on Bitcoin. One hour? So you speak about the gap here? Okay, for me, I potentially missed a short in 1 hour. But anyway, I don't really like what he did. And now I'm waiting him just to fractal first in 4 hours. And then I'll see after that if he gives me what I want. But Bitcoin, if I short, it's all the way down to 80,000 personally. I think you need to create new low in weekly, closer from each other, new low and new high or closer from each other, because then the market, it will be easier for the market to switch bullish. I really don't like what gold is doing in 1 minute, because if it starts to range like that, I'm afraid that if it breaks my zone, it's just gonna push down way too much, and I don't like to enter in market like that. What do you mean going here? This candle? Yeah, I'm agree. In 1 minute, I'm waiting for a close candle. But yeah, you're right. If it was in big time frame, I would already be bearish. But in 1 minute, no way. If that's what you're talking about. Yeah, I said that gold was more clean than Nasdaq. Maybe I was wrong. But good for the one who were looking for trade on Nasdaq. Okay, guys, don't hesitate to ask your last few questions. If you want me to analyze something else, Gold is not giving me what I want right now. I think he's not gonna give it in the next few minutes. So I'm gonna leave in like 5 minutes probably. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any last question. And if not, I'll be back on next Tuesday. I'm gonna travel a bit during the weekend, leaving tomorrow. Small advice, it's important to enjoy a bit the money you make in trading. That's what I'm trying to do since a few months. I grinded too much time in my bubble, in my cave, without enjoying a bit. So if gold don't give me my setup in there, maybe gonna give me my setup in there. We'll see. Either it does that, either it does this. But yeah, not for now, my short on gold, unfortunately. We'll see. You can still grab this in 1 minute. And switch in there. But yeah, Panawan, I'm French. I just like to do content in English. It's more interesting, and you meet more new people with different vision, you know. My trip, it just in France too. I'm just going to see a friend, like 4 hours far from where I live, just for the weekend. So I'll be back in stream Tuesday, and I don't stream tomorrow. Anyway, if you don't have any last question, I'm gonna leave the stream in like 3 minutes, so don't hesitate. Let me check one more time what the market did on other asset very fast. If something moved. Okay, so him still wants him like this. I said that SP could be interesting if he switched bearish now. But he needs to create new high, new low first. Nothing new. Nasdaq, I said, was a good scalp. Good for the one who took it. DAX just bait me for now today, but I still think it's bearish. Bitcoin, either it's too late or either it's too soon, and I'm gonna check it in 4 hours. Euro USD, nothing to do. Euro GP same. All pair again GPY 2. They all look the same, the chart. Don't worry, mate. I don't drink anything else than water, to be honest. GBP USD, same as Euro USD. I trade it. I follow the plan I told you yesterday. I took it, I TP. I made plus 2.5 K. Unfortunately, I give back 1.1K on DAX today. Euro CHF, I don't. Actually, it was not too bad to try this. Too late anyway. EuroCAD, nothing to do. Euro ID, I took him yesterday. I make plus 3.5K there. But he break-even me earlier, the day before. It was where he break-even me. Like this, break-even me the day before. USD pair, nothing to do yet. And gold, same. And nothing to do. Like I said, GBP and ZD, I'm watching him since a while now, but he don't want to break bullish, to break bearish here. But if you like pattern, I personally don't like it. I don't trade this, but you know this pattern, edge, shoulders. We'll see when you break this. GBP CAD, like I said, he swept his previous protected low. I think it's time to check for short soon. GBP GPY, like the rest of pair against GPY. CAD GPY exactly the same. Like this. UDGPY can be short. And that's all, I think. I said AUD USD can be interesting. He's baiting people since today now. Days. But he's bullish. He gave confirmation already. Pullback, he's breaking bullish again. If you give me a pullback 50% in this candle, why not? Why not? If you give me something. Probably something like this. We'll see. And after that, that's all. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. See you personally on Tuesday. And yeah, good luck on your trade if you have any trade open. And on your next trade also. See you soon, guys.